USB tethering explained. Yes, fast internet on your laptop or computer or PC from mobile phone without any hesitation. Welcome to how to do. I'm Gogi from how to do, and today we're gonna let you know that how to use internet on your laptop or computer using your mobile phone and USB cable USB tethering. Like, share, subscribe. Let's begin the video. How we can do. First of all, you have to know nothing. As you can check out in my scenario, no internet is working over here. So what I am going to do, I am going to do a thing is that I am connecting this cable to my phone and to my laptop. After that, we have to go to the settings, go to the portable hotspot or Bluetooth tethering or USB tethering, and over there just on this USB tethering. Voila, it started connecting over here. You can check out, it's connecting. Oh, it's connected. Now when we check internet speed, voila, internet is working properly on your laptop or computer. Yes, you are listening right. That way you can how easily can connect USB tethering, USB cable internet to your laptop or computer. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning new things every day.